Which of the following is wrongly matched? Which of the following is wrongly matched? This is the answer. Starch synthesis, it is not multiple alleles. Starch synthesis, it is pleiotropic gene. Starch synthesis, the gene responsible for starch synthesis is pleiotropic gene. It also controls the shape of the seed. Pleiotropic gene, not multiple allele. This is correct. ABO blood group, there is codominance. ABO blood group, there is codominance in AB group. There is codominance in AB group. T.H. Morgan coined the term linkage.